Back sleeping, the soldier position. You lie flat on your back, arms at your sides, staring at the ceiling like you're in a coffin. Sounds intense, but this is actually one of the healthiest ways to sleep. Why? Because your spine stays completely neutral. No twisting, no bending, no awkward angles. Your head, neck, and back align in one straight line, reducing stress on your joints and muscles. If you wake up with random aches and can't figure out why, your sleep position might be the problem. This one fixes it. There's more. Sleeping on your back also protects your face. No pillow smashing against your skin all night means fewer sleep wrinkles over time. That's why dermatologists often recommend it. Back sleepers tend to age better, smoother skin, longer. But here's the downside. This position is terrible for snoring. Gravity pulls your tongue and soft tissues backward, partially blocking your airway. If you already snore, it gets worse. If you have sleep apnea, it can be dangerous. So yes, great for your spine and your skin. Just not your breathing or your partner's patience. Back sleeping, the starfish. Now imagine the same position, but chaotic. Arms up, legs spread out like you're making a snow angel. The spine benefits are still there. Good alignment, less pressure, better posture over time. But now you've got a new problem. Your shoulders. Keeping your arms raised for hours puts them in an unnatural position. Blood flow changes, muscles compress, and your rotator cuff takes the hit. That's why you might wake up with numb arms or aching shoulders. And let's be honest, starfish sleepers take over the entire bed. If you share it, someone is definitely hanging off the edge. Snoring is still an issue too. This position only works if you sleep alone, have healthy shoulders, and don't mind waking up feeling slightly disconnected from your arms. Side sleeping, the fetal position. This is the most popular sleeping position in the world. You curl up on your side, knees pulled in, like you're trying to return to the womb. It feels safe, comforting, and it actually has benefits. It opens your airway, reducing snoring and improving sleep apnea. It supports your spine reasonably well with a good mattress. It's even recommended for pregnant women because it improves circulation. But most people do it wrong. They curl too tight. When your knees are pulled all the way in and your chin is tucked down, your breathing becomes shallow. Your lungs can't fully expand, and you wake up tired even after a full night's sleep. It also stresses your joints. Your spine rounds too much, and your hips and knees stay locked in one position all night, leading to stiffness. The fix? Stay loose. Relax your body. Bend naturally. Don't curl like you're bracing for impact. Side sleeping, the log. This one is simple. You lie on your side, arms down, body straight like a log. It might sound boring, but it's one of the healthiest positions you can use. Your spine stays aligned. Your airway remains open. Breathing is easier. Snoring and sleep apnea decrease significantly. It's also great for digestion, especially on your left side. Gravity helps move food through your system and reduces acid reflux. The only downside? Arm numbness. Lying on one arm can cut off circulation, leaving you with that dead arm feeling. Shoulder pressure can also build up over time. The solution is simple. Switch sides during the night. Side sleeping, the yearner. This is when you lie on your side with both arms stretched out in front of you, like you're reaching for something. Spine alignment stays decent, and you still get the benefits of side sleeping. Better breathing, less snoring, but your shoulders take a hit. Holding your arms forward for hours pulls your joints out of their natural position. Muscles tighten. You wake up stiff. There's also nerve compression from the arm underneath you, leading to tingling or numbness. Quick fix: hug a pillow. It supports your arms and reduces strain instantly. Left side versus right side. Not all side sleeping is equal. Sleeping on your left side is almost always better. Your stomach sits on the left, so gravity helps digestion. Acid reflux improves because your stomach stays below your esophagus. On the right side, acid flows upward more easily, making heartburn worse. Left side sleeping also improves circulation, especially during pregnancy. The only exception: some people with heart conditions feel better on their right side. For most people though, left side wins. Stomach sleeping, the free fall. This is the worst position. No sugarcoating it. You lie face down, head turned to the side, arms around your pillow. It might feel comfortable, but it's wrecking your body. Your neck is twisted at a 90-degree angle for hours. That leads to chronic pain, headaches, and nerve issues. Your lower back suffers too. Your spine loses its natural curve, creating long-term pain. Breathing becomes harder because your chest is pressed into the mattress. Yes, it can reduce snoring, but that's not worth the damage. If you sleep like this, start training yourself out of it. Pillow hugging. If you sleep on your side and hug a pillow, you're actually helping your body. It keeps your arms in a neutral position, reduces shoulder strain, and improves spinal alignment. There's also a mental benefit. Hugging something triggers the release of oxytocin, the comfort hormone. It calms your nervous system and helps you fall asleep faster. Just don't squeeze too tight or use a pillow that's too thick. Combination sleepers. Some people move all night. Back, side, stomach, repeat. This isn't necessarily bad. Your body is redistributing pressure, preventing stiffness, and improving circulation. But too much movement can disrupt deep sleep. Each shift causes a small awakening, even if you don't notice it. Balance is key. A little movement is healthy. Constant tossing and turning means something's wrong. Your mattress, pain, or stress. Elevated sleeping. Sometimes sleeping flat isn't the answer. Raising your upper body at an angle can completely change your sleep quality. It's especially powerful for acid reflux. Gravity keeps stomach acid down where it belongs. It also helps with sleep apnea and congestion by keeping your airway more open. The downside? It can feel unnatural at first, and some people slide down during the night. But for the right person, this isn't just comfortable, it's therapeutic. Bottom line, your sleep position isn't just about comfort. It affects your spine, your breathing, your skin, and even your long-term health. Fix your sleep position, and you fix a big part of your life.